Good morning and happy Saturday, day 6 of 75 Hard. You know, if you are doing 75 Hard or on any type of health and fitness initiative, the weekends are always going to be the most challenging time because your schedule's different. You know, you may not go to work, you may work, but you don't have the same work schedule, you don't have the same structure in your life. So you have to plan. You got to plan out your workouts. You got to plan what you're going to be eating. It's also the time more people are going to invite you out. People want to go to dinner. People want to go to lunch. People want to go to brunch. People want to go have drinks. And if you're abstaining from those things, or you're trying to eat healthier, or you don't try, do or do not, there is no try. But if you have those initiatives, you have to plan these things out, and you have to be willing to say no, because your goals should be more important than what other people think about you. And if you're fearful of judgment, if you're fearful that, man, if I don't go have drinks with the boys or go have brunch with the girls, they're not going to want to hang out with me. But is their opinion more important than what you're striving for? Is their opinion more important than your own health? Me thinks it's not. So plan your weekends, plot the things out. Make sure you're close to a bathroom if you're on 75 Hard. Like my wife and I got to run a bunch of errands today, and I will be peeing pretty much the entire time we're out running errands because I'll be guzzling the water. So I gotta make sure the bathroom's closed. Anyway, y'all have a great Saturday. Make good choices. I'll see you soon. All right, day 6 is a wrap. You know, this morning I was talking about how a lot of times the weekend is harder to manage because your schedule's different and your work schedule is weird, and you really just have to plan things out a little bit better. And today was, I don't want to say it was easy, but it was surprisingly fluid. I got to work out with my buddy Dale this morning. We did a tandem workout. If you saw the first part of this day, that was super fun. I got to go for a walk with my 17-year-old Cheech this afternoon. That was great. I got to spend time with my wife. I got to spend time with my boy. I got to pee like 18 times when we were out in public. And then my wife and I cooked an amazing dinner tonight. We just kind of threw things together. And what's interesting is this being on this and needing to constantly eat healthy and not go out to eat on the weekends when we're tired or whatever has kind of sparked our cooking creativity again, which is really awesome. Like, we cook really good food. We've always been that way together. We cook really well. And it's been fun starting to kind of bring back things we used to do. So, you know, don't get so stuck in the mundane of the challenge. Don't get so stuck in the, oh my God, I gotta finish my water, I gotta do my walk. Don't get stuck in that. Like, look for the joy, look for the happiness, look for the things. I've said it for years. Look for the things to be grateful for. Y'all have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow.